A second coronavirus outbreak could emerge this winter in conjunction with the flu season to make for an even more dire health crisis, the director of the United States Centers for Disease Control and Prevention warned. There's a possibility that the assault of the virus on our nation next winter will actually be even more difficult than the one we just went through, CDC Director Robert Redfield said in an interview with the Washington Post, adding, "We're going to have the flu epidemic and the coronavirus epidemic at the same time, predicting a dual assault on the healthcare system. To have both the flu and the coronavirus circulating at the same time could overwhelm hospitals and doctors' offices that are already stretched thin in a bad flu season. Last year, the flu killed at least 34,200 Americans, according to the CDC, and made an estimated 35.5 million people sick. The first wave of COVID-19, the disease caused by the coronavirus, has already killed more than 42,000 Americans." Redfield's comments come as several governors look to partially reopen their states' economies by loosening some restrictions aimed at limiting the spread of the virus. While President Trump unveiled guidance last week to help states loosen their social distancing restrictions, Redfield called for state officials to spend the next few months preparing for the next phase and for a worst-case scenario. Economists and public health experts say the United States needs to be able to perform millions of coronavirus tests each week before restrictions can be safely lifted. So far, the United States has performed only about 4 million coronavirus tests in total, and governors have reported a continued shortage of the materials needed to run tests. The United States Food and Drug Administration said that it has issued an emergency use authorization for a coronavirus diagnostic test that allows for patients to collect their own samples at home and then mail those samples to a lab for testing. The FDA said the authorization of the home collection kits was issued to LabCorp and will be available to consumers with a doctor's order in the coming weeks. The kit includes a Q-tip-style cotton swab that patients will use to collect their own sample. Reporting in Wilmington, Delaware, Yesenia Taveras, 22 News.